When a Java program runs, unexpected problems can occur. For example, dividing a number by 0, trying to access a file that does not exist, or entering invalid data. These problems are called exceptions. Exception handling in Java helps us manage these errors so the program does not crash. An exception is an event that occurs during the execution of a program and disrupts the normal flow of instructions. Instead of stopping the entire application, Java allows developers to catch and handle these problems so the program can continue running. Imagine you are using an ATM machine. You try to withdraw money, but your account balance is too low. Instead of the ATM shutting down completely, it shows a message like insufficient balance and allows you to try another transaction. This is similar to exception handling in Java. The system detects the problem, shows an error message, and allows the program to continue running instead of crashing. Java provides a mechanism to detect errors, handle them properly, and prevent the application from crashing. Developers define how the program should react when something unexpected happens. For example, instead of stopping the program, the system may display an error message, ask the user for new input, or continue with another process. Exception handling is important because it makes applications more reliable and user-friendly. It prevents programs from crashing unexpectedly, helps developers identify problems more easily, and improves the overall user experience. In Java interviews, remember this simple definition. Exception handling is a mechanism used to handle runtime errors so that the normal flow of the program can continue without crashing.